friends, welcome to a new series. This is kind of my introduction to my new series. So I'm going to tell you right now that I have been using the community tab here on YouTube and kind of posting some either like reminders that, hey, I showed a video or something like that. Or my favorite part is actually to get to use the poll feature of the community tab. And so if you haven't been checking that out, make sure that you check that from my channel, because I do put out questions here and there. So one of the questions that I asked was that, because I know the next series that I was going to do, which is to go back to basics, and I wanted to kind of get your input to kind of figure out which ones do you think is actually like the most basic scrapbooking supplies. So my choices were cardstock, pattern paper, flat stickers, tools like punches, and then what was the other one? And stamps and inks. So the two that got the highest scores was cardstock and pattern papers. I think cardstock got 40% of the vote, and then pattern paper got 35%. And then the third one was tools like punches. So in this series, with my Back to Basics series, I am going to make 5 layouts using just cardstock, pattern paper, and punches. Sorry about the interruption. My phone rang and I forgot to silence it. But anyways, going back to this mini series. So my focus is that I am going to create 5 layouts just using cardstock, pattern paper, and tools and punches. Now, as I was thinking about this, I feel like there's so many designs that I can actually create with just those 3 things, but I did kind of worry that I wouldn't have the ability to create my titles. So because this is my channel and because this is my series, I'm going to kind of deviate from or add something to my rules, and that is that I will use pen. I can use pen and also my die cut machine. Mostly because so that if I wanted to add a shape that I don't have punches available for it, I can use my die cut machine, and then also pen for like writing, journaling, or dates, because I can't use date stamps, I can't use inks and stickers, sorry, and things like that. So those are my only rules. I'm adding my die cut machine and my pen, but I promise you that I am going to try to stick with just using cardstock, pattern paper, and punches for the rest of creating my layout. Now, I have already planned out my layouts. I have all my pictures already here, and these are the 2 pattern paper packs that I am going to be using. Oops. And so some of the layouts will have just solely cardstock and punches, and then some will just have pattern paper and punches, and then one I'm going to try to see if I can use cardstock, pattern paper, and punches. And then this is just to show you how I store my cardstock. There's no rhyme or like this, it's nothing fancy. I just stuck them in a folder, and this is where all my scrap cardstock lives. And I'm going to try to use these first before I use the big 12 by 12 ones. Of course, if it's a background, I'm going to use a 12 by 12 sheet, but this is the plan. So I hope that you guys will follow along when I make this series. And if you're so inclined, join with me, make a page with whatever prompt or the plans that I have, and then let me know in the description box below if you've made a video, link it so that I can watch it too, because my purpose for this channel, it's always been to share, and so I hope that me sharing it will inspire you in your own creativity. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell button so that YouTube will notify you when I do post my next layout, which I'm hoping would be video number 1 for this. I'm hoping. I don't remember what my schedule is for this month, but I hope that will be the next one. So until then, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys another day. Bye.